we'll guide you through how to set up DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Blackmagic Design website and download DaVinci Resolve. Make sure to choose the version that suits your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once downloaded, open the installation file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. You'll need to agree to the license agreement and choose the installation location. After installation, launch DaVinci Resolve. You'll be greeted with the Project Manager screen, where you can create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Enter a name for your project and click Create. Now, to set up your workspace, go to the DaVinci Resolve menu at the top left, click on Preferences, and then select System. Here, you can configure your media storage, video, and audio I/O settings according to your hardware specifications. This is crucial for optimal performance. Next, head over to the project settings by clicking on the gear icon at the bottom right of the interface. Here, you can adjust your timeline resolution, frame rate, and other settings to match your project's requirements. If you're working with 4K footage, make sure your timeline resolution is set to 3840 by 2160. Now, import your media by going to the Media page, where you can use the Media Storage panel to navigate to your footage. Simply drag and drop your media files into the media pool. This will organize your assets and make them readily available for editing. Finally, before you start editing, it's a good idea to save your project by going to File and selecting Save Project As. This helps prevent data loss and keeps your work secure. And that's it. You're all set to start editing with DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.